Welcome to Shivani Tutorials. Today I am going to show you a kurti design for 3-year-old baby. Here I have the fabric. The fabric has 4 folds. And I also have lining for this. Even the lining is folded 4 times. Length 18 inches, chest 7 inches, 1 inch extra for stitching, 2.5 inches for neck, 3.5 inches for shoulder. Length of the neck is 3 inches. Join the length line. Sleeves 5.5 inches. Mark round shape from the bottom and from the sleeves as well. Mark half inches for the back neck. So here we have the drawing done. Now let me cut it out and show it to you. Cut the half inches first of all for the back side neck. Cut and open the fold of fabric and its lining. Place the lining beneath the fabric. Cut it as per the fabric. Let me open it and show it to you. We will cut the design with the neckline, and here we will mark piping. So that was front side. And this is back side. Our complete kurta cutting is done. Fold the base fabric and the lining and cut from this side. From here onwards, we will stitch the piping on the kurta. These are sleeves. Length 5 inches, breadth 7 inches, mark 2.5 inches on length side. Hold the chalk and join it with downwards bottom in arc shape. Cut the sleeves. Carefully cut the fabric from the fold. Here we have the sleeves ready. This is the strip for the collar. Use lining cloth to make the collar. Breadth of collar is 2.5 inches. Length is 12 inches. Here we have the collar ready in arc shape. The collar is ready. So here we have the baby kurti's cutting is ready, along with sleeves and collar. Please like and share this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.